Alright, I had to finally make a video on this. This is the 2nd gen M12 Fuel, I think 2nd gen at least, hammer drill driver. I only use it for drilling and or hammer drilling. Let's see here, it's the 2504-20. Ergonomically, this thing is a million times worse than the 1st gen that I have down there, or the earlier gen. There's way less, like when you pull the trigger, it feels like it doesn't go in all the way. There's no rubber on the trigger, it's just a rounded piece of plastic, whereas on the older Milwaukee Fuel 12-volt tools, it's flat and it has rubber. I'll try to get a comparison for you. But the biggest thing here is that in the grip, they tried to make this quote-unquote more ergonomic or something. See those complex angles? All that does, you can probably see a mark on my hand, is pinch the webbing on your hand. And I know why they have to do it. It's because of the triple cell 12-volt battery.
Nice.
Thanks. Almost done, hopefully. But for my grip, and I have I guess bigger hands, but not big hands. I grip over top of where that goes in. So what it does is my hand just gets pinched in there, and I end up gripping up top here more than where they want you to go in, like that. But it ends up pinching your webbing of your hand up into the grip of the drill, and then you get, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a whole U-shaped mark. And all I've drilled, yes, it's a long drill bit, having to drill through two 2x4s and a 4x4, but that's only 3 holes. When I did about 8 of them, I actually had a blister there in that grip area. The older drill does not do that. I'll try to get you some coverage of it. I still have it, but the chuck's all wonky. Had it for a while, and it was around the same price just to buy a new one, but yeah, I don't know. Ergonomically, trigger-wise, shape-wise of the drill and the grip, it's just worse. It's a tiny bit more compact, but I don't think that's worth that trade-off. I did try some of the Gen 3 stuff at Home Depot, and it's better. So maybe I'll have to upgrade at some point, but it's hard to do because I don't use this all that often when compared to the impact drivers and other tools, like the screwdriver. I use a screwdriver all the time. However, this is very much a drill job. And there are some screws or nails I'm hitting, so a hammer drill job as well. But had to finally make this video because it's, I don't know if you can see that dark, I can see where it's all, my hand's actually all dry around where that is too.